Hello everyone, today we're gonna round a real number with the help of the calculator fx-991ES plus emulator, and it will make changes to the display of the calculator. Then we'll bring back the display of the calculator to normal situation. For this, I am taking the value of pi. The value of pi after the decimal place is an infinite number of digits. As you see, I have put 3 dots. Infinite number of digits are there. Let's see this value in calculator. So in calculator, this calculator has the capacity to show the number of digits after the decimal point of 9 digits. So it means if 9 after the point 9 digits appears, it means the display is full. We wanna shrink this decimal number to 6 decimal places like the first one here. For this purpose, we need to go to the setup of the numbers. We can get to the setup by shift key, then setup. Fixing key is used for rounding or shrinking or making shortening the decimal numbers for its number of digits. So let's take this option, which is under 6. The calculator is asking the user how many digits are required. So we are doing for 6. I'll click 6. So here we are. It's done for 6 digits. Let's do it for 2 digits, the last option. So again, shift key, setup mode, fixing option, and we are doing for 2 digits, so it's done for 2. After this, after each calculation, we will find, like see 2 by 3, there will be 2 digits after the point, even if we write similar. So normally it is not appreciated. Student doesn't like this kind of display, so we need to go to normalize. So for normalizing, again shift key, setup, and under 8 option. So there are 2 ways we do it. So we take it to first one. So look, now it's normal. Again, if we take pi value, so full display will come. I hope this video would have helped you rounding of real number. Thank you.